Let's begin. Okay, so for the first step, what we want to do is we want to crank the front wheels as far to the right as possible so that we can access the crankshaft pulley and the AC compressor pulley. So now that the tire here is fully to the right, you can also remove the tire if you'd like. You don't really have to, but if you want to, that's fine. So here I got a light. We can take a look in here. We have a little splash guard down here, and we need to take the clips out. I already took the clip out on the right here, and so on the left there's another clip. And so all you really need to do is to take a screwdriver and then pop that little clip out. And I'm trying to do it with one hand here, and there it comes. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, we can open this up, and if I can get my light in here with my other hand, you'll see that that's the crankshaft pulley right there, and to its far right, which you can kind of see there, that's the AC compressor pulley. And so those are exposed to us. We can see the belt there going from left to right. We need to get that off, obviously. And so backing off here, you can see the wheel. We can take a look at our diagram again. And so what I expose are the bottom two pulleys that you see there, the crank and the AC compressor pulley. And so we need to get access to that so that when we route the new belt, we can get to it. And so that's that second step.
To test. But modern days are called serpentine belts because they have many grooves inside them. Of course, on the modern belt, if you see the grooves are all cracked, you know it's bad and time to put a new belt on. But these modern serpentine belts, a lot of times they won't be cracked. This one isn't cracked, but it is still worn out. And here's how you can tell. You just need this cool little Gates belt tester, and guess what? It's free. Just type Gates wear gauge on your search engine, and click on the first search engine, and there it is. You just fill out the form and they send you one in the mail. Actually, they send you two of them with the directions of how to use them. And basically it comes down to this. There's grooves in it. You put it in against the belt, get it snug. And if you can wiggle the gauge back and forth, it means the grooves are worn and it needs replacing. And if the belt is good like this one, it just fits into the grooves and it doesn't wiggle back and forth.